All right, today we have a Harig Easy Surf 2 with a Trutech Cnc control. It's serial number EZ1006. We'll start the wheel first so you can hear that. It's coming up to speed. It's going to go up to about 3,400 RPM. That's variable through the controller right over here on the pendant. Spindle's very nice and quiet. Turn the hydraulics on. You can, this jogs hydraulically with a servo valve. Gives you better positioning and control. It has an OS Walker magnetic chuck. It's variable. You can see here, functions. You can jog your axes. Up and down, both very smooth, nice and quiet. And you have your saddle in and out. Again, also nice and smooth and quiet. And then just one more time, your table. Machine is presently wired for 220 volts. I think that basically does it. The machine also has a coolant system. Thanks for watching.